Hello to everyone. We here to check the capacitor, high voltage capacitor, like this, by resistance testing. Put the multimeter to O range mega ohm. This is the bad one. Look on the multimeter. 1.6 ohm. And we changed the probe position. 1.6. It's mean this cap is bad. One more thing is hold the probe, one of the probe to this connector, and second to the body. We have OL and it's okay, but this is must be about 5 mega ohms or 6 or 7 or 10 mega ohms, and it's short. You can hear the beep here. Look, beep. It's totally shorted. And the next one is the capacitor meter, or we put the selector to the capacitor sign here and read this. Actually it's cleaned up. It must be 1 microfarad, 1.1 microfarad, something like this. Look at the multimeter. OL. Okay, out of range. And the new one is 2100 volt AC, 1.0 microfarad, 3% tolerance. Okay, first let's check the resistance. We have 1 meg, 2 meg, 3 meg, 4 meg, 5, 6, rising until 10 even. 9, 9.6, and this is the good one. And another test is to body, check shorting to body. Here we have no resistance, and check the beep. Here we have no beep here. This is good one. There's the cap meter, must be about 1 microfarad or 1.12 microfarad or 900 nanofarad, 905.5 nanofarad. It's for the 3% tolerance, and it's fine, it's good. Good luck.